make this worse for yourself.
Respond to a 1081 in Central Doherty. Suspect last seen on foot.
You got better thats in prison, man.
Yeah? Well, you look like an asshole, so we even.
It takes no heart to shoot,
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
Yeah, very bad.
Do you like the starfish?
No one is to be trusted.
Enjoy yourself, sir.
Watch your back.
Damn, that's some fire.
Hello.
Charlie,
Please keep your
puto.
distance.
Watch it. Yes, yes. Hello.
Have you tried the latest IV drip?
This is very true.
Keep your undies loose and
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between 2 lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't, nigga? Who do you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
Yeah, that's some good shit. Damn, that's some fire.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
You need to move.
Yeah, that's some good shit. Where'd you come out from? The fucking dirt?
I'm from the Grove, homeboy.
Bring it, homie, bring it!
You don't need it now. Yeah, bitch, kiss my ass. Catalina, is that you again?